Our world is paints. High quality and environmentally friendly paints. Paints that every layman and professional can appreciate. Colorlak's history is rich and has been linked to Stare Miesto since 1925. For almost a century, we have been producing paints that color the world. Panter Color, the largest wholesale distributor of coatings in the Czech Republic, also belongs to the Colorlak Group, as well as over 200 Colorlak brand stores and the chain of partner stores Svedberev. The Colorlak Group has a turnover of almost 50 million euros. This is supported by our presence in a number of global markets. Exports account for more than 20% of the company's production. The predominant export makers are Slovakia, Poland, Germany, Switzerland, and Luxembourg. Our company is made up of loyal employees with a respect for tradition, commitment to quality, and dedication to creating the best products for our clients. Colorlak coatings are used in a wide range of industries, from engineering, construction, woodworking, and aerospace to military defense systems. Our materials can be found in many high-end global products, especially where the emphasis is on quality, reliability, environmental friendliness, and safety. Thanks to our research and development department, we can prepare production to meet the exact requirements of our customers, who are supplied directly from Colorlak's central plant. In the Specialized Building Materials division, we develop technologies for insulation systems, as well as interior and façade paints, plasters, sealing coats, and primers. We offer corporate partners the possibility to use our modern production capacities for filling products into aerosol packaging. Continuous quality assurance for ensuring high-quality products in environmentally conscious manufacturing processes is the main feature of our strategy. The proof of this is the award of the Responsible Care Certificate, which is a sign of responsible business in the chemical industry. As a part of its corporate social responsibility, the Colorlak Group focuses primarily on professional education and the support of sports. In the media, our marketing activities are combined with DIY and craft content. The Colorlak brand is also featured in television advertising at major sporting events. Our world is paints. High quality and environmentally friendly paints. Paints that every layman and professional can appreciate. Colorlak. Colors that last.